morning, blessings.
Woo!
Keep it shiny side up.
And the rubber side down. Ross the Cross got a Max GoPro sound. Me and my guy Ross the Cross both have the GoPro Max, baby. That's right, y'all. Check him out. All right, let's get you squared away, bro. Ross the Cross, man. We rock the GoPros up here, man. What's up, man? Ooh, Ross, tell me the name of your YouTube channel. Man, we about to go to Best Buy, man, and get my guy Ross the Cross, man, hook him up with his GoPro material. This is my guy. This your first GoPro, Ross?
First GoPro ever.
This is my guy Ross the Cross' first GoPro ever. You see what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about, man. Man, what's up, man? My guy stepping into new things, bro. So we're gonna get you some mounts and you know, all the GoPro accessories. So we're about to roll up to Best Buy and just have fun. Because why? Because July 8th through July 11th, we're gonna be having the ball up the tail of the dragon. My guy Papa D Rise, me, Ross the Cross, my guy Disco, J-Bake, MJ, and every other person that's gonna be there. And my guy Ross the Cross wanna record everything. So y'all check him out, hook him up, man, where he's got a GoPro on his helmet so he can see it on his phone while he riding. Let me see, kind of look straight. Is that the perfect view you want? Or you want just a little of this too?
That's fine.
Okay, yeah! Man, trust me, he's excited, guys. Let's do this, baby! Nation, what's going on, bros and broettes? Look, man, shout out to one of the subscribers, man, that saw me and my guy Ross the Cross, man, and said what's up. 2 thumbs up to you, my guy. So check it out, y'all. Let me show y'all what Ross got. Oh, can I show the subscribers what he got, sir? Can you start with the first box? No. Magnetic swivel clip. Look at here. And he got the actual charger, bro. Yes, with the actual battery. So Ross, you may need some more batteries, bro. That is too cool. Now check this out. So he has this here, guys. Now y'all know, man, I personally won't rock this on my bike, but my guy Ross, you know what I'm saying, I want him to have it because, you know what I'm saying, he want to put the camera like outward how I have mine. And see, I don't want him to get a suction cup like me because I know how to handle the suction cup, you know what I'm saying. But if his fall, man, I don't want him to be like, oh no. So this here, guys, everybody's telling me that this Jaws is better than the suction cup. So this is cool, man. So I'm glad my guy Ross the Cross got this. Excuse me, sir. Aren't you a YouTuber? Can I get your autograph, please? Oh. Aren't you a YouTuber?
Keep it shiny side up.
Rubber side down. Oh, man, dude. What is your YouTube channel? Hey, man, I'm telling you, y'all, look out for us, bro. Hey, Ross, we need to call ourselves Salt and Pepper. No. All right, Ross the Cross. So this guy here goes on your go on that side there of the handlebar. I think this goes on the outside. Yeah. Ooh, check him out. Now I personally never use these here, but my guy Jay got one of these too. And then that turns, I think this turns. I thought it. Yeah, there you go. See, you can turn that toward the road there. Yep. So when you, there it is. So you gonna turn your bar straight or go ahead and hop on your bike. All right. Yeah, my guy Ross vlogging, y'all. All right. Oh yeah. Now how does that look? That, okay. So you can probably do it like that there. And so now when you're riding, boom. Now this here is probably, there you go. Man, look at my guy Ross, man. How you put, look pretty cool?
Or I can put it in it.
Where? What do you mean? Oh, nice. Look at, oh man, he's a regular vlogger, bro. Oh. Hey, please remember, like, comment, and subscribe to Ross. Shut up. Oops, I couldn't believe I said that. No.
How you put this in here?
No, that stays out. So when you bring it out, then it goes back to its regular thing. Yes, because it stays hooked, clamped in there like that. So
okay.
Yeah. So now, if you want to just hop out and pull the camera out, you just squeeze that in and pops out. Yeah. Does that look better in the windshield? Because it's not. Oh yeah. See, but it's still showing that. Let me see. Y'all see what I see? See there? But I don't think that's too much of an issue. Probably bring it down a little more. Or like in. Let's see. Well, not too bad. But see, now you have options now. You can rock it there on your helmet. You know what I'm saying? cool, bro.
Like it's kind of.
What do you think, it's gonna fall or something?
Looks like it's gonna move a little bit.
Oh, well.
I could balance it up here though.
Yeah, probably. Can your cup holder move to the right? To the. Ooh, don't. Yeah, there you go. Unless, you know what? I don't know what size that is there.
I
See
can
how?
move that.
Yeah, and just move that, pivot it to the right. There you go.
Yeah, I can do that. This goes anywhere. We have to do it on the way on home though.
Okay. Cool, bro. My God. So look, when you get off your bike, all you do is go clamp and walk around, be like, "Hey guys, we're here at Times Square." Bro, what's up, man? Ross, tell them why you got this though, man. Tell them, because everybody's curious, bro.
I got this cameras to have another perspective for riding the tail of the dragon.
There it is.
Next weekend.
And who knows, Ross, you may become a YouTuber, right?
That's a possibility. My little greenhorn when it comes to the GoPro.
That's all right, brother. Hey, we got you, man. All right, you want to hit the dealership real quick?
Yeah, we hit the dealership.
We own it, man.
Hey man.
Ross, man. Is it on?
I turned the recording off.
Oh, man. Look, dude, we're vloggers, Ross. Oh, my gosh, man. Oh. What's up, man? You gotta like, comment, and subscribe to my guy Ross the Cross page. What's up, bro? Oh,
What's up, man?
He finally jumped into the 2000.
he jumped in, man. Next, we're gonna be 1%ers. No, it's good.
Maybe him.
Totally kidding. Wait, maybe Ross.
Maybe him. Not so much you.
Oh, man. I got what it takes, guys. No. What's up, bro? Ah.
What
Hey,
up?
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my guy Ross, man. No.
Now you too?
Hey, you get it now, YouTube? No. YouTube? Oh, man.
So I saw a daggone car getting driven by a sheep in a swimsuit. It was a Lamborghini.
Oh.
What's up, Wood Nation? Y'all be safe. Have a happy 4th of July. Take it easy and celebrate Independence Day.
Ow.
That man's already. What's going on with you, man?
What's up, man?
What's up, Wood Nation? Hey, this is from Savannah Harley Davidson. Wishing you all a happy 4th of July. And just enjoy yourself. Be safe out there. Have a great weekend.
Ooh, referee, baby. Wood Nation, for those who follow the channel, man, you guys already know, man. Where me and my guy Ross the Cross, what we about to grill, bro?
Dickie.
Yeah, bro. Dickie's barbecue, man.